Hello everyone, my name is Alessandro and today I am in a cottage in Finland. Outside is a snowstorm and why not make some tagliatelle with salmon. The salmon is a fish you find pretty easily in Finland. That's why I got inspired by this dish. So all you need is salmon, lime zest, chive, garlic, a dry white wine, black olives taggiasche. I made this with 80 gram ricotta and 120 gram mascarpone. A really nice tagliatelle made by Finnish girls. So be sure you have 2 Finnish girls. The first thing you do is you have to clean the fish. One advice, you cut it here like that, so you have a grip. And then you cut it like that. Voila! And then you take the skin here, you can hold it, and voila. So if you have a good knife, that's pretty easy. I can feel the salmon has some bones, so it's really important to take it away. Now the salmon is bones free. Let's take a good knife and start to cut it. You will cut it in small cubes. Now you have the salmon. Put some heat on the pan and wait until the pan is more hot. And while you are waiting, smash a garlic and then you cut it in small pieces. You don't need to be precise, so you can decide. You can put the whole garlic so you can take it away after, or you can cut it in small pieces and leave it in this sauce. So put the garlic, some extra virgin olive oil. The garlic are frying and now it's the time to put the salmon inside. I need to wash my hand because I need to put also salt and pepper. If you have a white pepper, it's better. I don't have it, but I have a really nice mix of white and black. So some pepper, like that. Salt. Look here, this salmon is so beautiful. The water is boiling, so let's put salt. Now the salmon is frying, so you put white wine, and this is a dry white wine, okay? Yes. Can you hear it? Pretty much. Always put some white wine you drink also, so don't put any bad white wine. And then smash the olives inside. And don't forget the lime, so you give this sour taste. Now we will prepare the creamy sauce, okay? In Italy we usually use also the robiola cheese instead, but it's more difficult to find outside Italy, so that's why I use this mix, because this is a nice substitute for the robiola. So 80 gram ricotta and 120 gram mascarpone. Water from the pasta, put inside, and then you mix the 2 cheese. And now it's the time for our cream. Look. And the chive also inside. The pasta water is boiling, so let's put fresh tagliatelle. You can use also different kind of pasta if you want. Take down the heat. I don't want all the liquid to evaporate. And then wait for the pasta. Come on now! The recipe is written under, so if you don't understand something, I will be sure that you have a really nice description, okay? The fresh pasta leaves such a nice smell after they are cooked. Okay, this is a really easy recipe to make and a really fast one. The pasta is done. Like that.
Ihanaa.